going to be teaching you how to make macaroni and cheese. I've already pre-assembled all of the ingredients that we're going to need to make our macaroni and cheese today, but I'm going to go over them with you. We have 1 small onion, small chopped. I have 8 ounces of cheddar cheese. I have 12 ounces of shredded Parmesean cheese. I have an entire stick of butter, but I have portioned it out in tablespoons because the stick of butter is going to be used in various parts of the cooking process. So I have 6 tablespoons of butter here, and then 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon. I have 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1 cup right here of sour cream. I have 4 cups of milk. It can be whole milk or 2% milk. I have 1 tablespoon of salt. I have 1 teaspoon of garlic, and I have 1/3 of a cup right here of flour. This process has multiple moving parts, and the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to cook down our onion. We are going to want to cook the onion so that it is translucent. And as I cook the onion, I am going to include the garlic in there. Let's go.